Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Want to say what's up to all my subscribers, new and old. I love you all. Thank you for making my giveaway so successful, and stay tuned because I will be doing another one hopefully soon. So thank you guys so much for that. Now in today's video, you guys might have seen on my Instagram, I posted this rainbow polygel kit from Makartt. Now let me just say, I love the colors. The kit is awesome. The polygels are 30 mils, not the 15 mil tubes, which is awesome, so you get more polygel. It came with top coat, base coat, the dual forms. It actually came with paper forms, which I'm using in this video as well. The paper forms were okay. I didn't like them as much as the Yogi ones I used in my last video, but they were okay, not as sticky. But anyways, this polygel, let me just say, was very sticky. Now I used 91% alcohol with all my other polygels, and I've never had an issue with them being sticky. This one was still very sticky. I found having to use a lot of alcohol with this polygel, so that made it a little bit harder for me to work with, and I was really frustrated throughout this process. I mean, you'll see after I'm doing the prep here, I'm just showing you here the forms, and that those were the ones included in the kit, and I'm showing you here the colors I used: orange, green, and yellow. And there's the brush. And like I was saying, when I started with that thumbnail, I thought I was gonna do a marble design. I tried it, but this polygel, I was so frustrated. I was gonna do it on more than one nail, and I was like, after this first one, I decided not to, because I just did not like the stickiness of it, and it was just frustrating. So I decided not to do the marble, and I just did one of the three colors on each nail, and then I did the Fimo, and that was it, because I was already frustrated after that first nail. You'll see me struggle with it, but anyways, the kit is still alright. I like it just for the colors. I would deal with the frustration just for the colors. They're very pigmented, very bright. They're just really nice. Really, still good quality kit. It's just the stickiness was real frustrating for me. They still came out pretty good, I mean, you know, in the end, but you know, that's just the way I feel about it. That's just my opinion. But I would still, like I said, buy the kit just for the colors, because nobody else has these colors in polygel, so I would still use it. But anyways, guys, thank y'all so much for continuing to watch. If y'all have any comments or anything, questions, leave them in the description box below, and I will make sure to get to you guys. Let's see, anything else? Oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already following me there. And also, again, congratulations to the winner of my giveaway, Lisa Wood. Make sure, if I don't, you actually have a week to respond to me. So if I don't hear from you by next Thursday, I will pick another winner. So hopefully I hear from you, by then, because I would love to get this stuff to you. But if not, then I'll just pick another winner, and somebody else will get a chance. So we'll see what happens. I'm actually going on vacation tomorrow, Sunday, until Thursday. So that's why I'm giving up until that time, because I won't be back until after that. So you have that time. Anyways, guys, I love you all. Thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys. And I'm just going to leave you here to watch me finish off the rest of the set. I hope you guys enjoy it. And like I said, thanks so much for watching again. Bye, guys.